Hello friends, welcome back again to this video. Here I want to show you my earnings and my withdrawals so far on this SafePal mining. So this video where I show you I'm going to also guide you a bit. So this is SafePal. Now this is my SafePal wallet. If you want to join, you must have a SafePal wallet. Now I started this mining with that's 2 or 3 days ago with $10. So and it's mining on USDC Polygon network, please, very important. So even if you want to join, if you don't want to contact me to guide you, bear in mind everything you are doing should be under Polygon network. You are USDC and you also have some Polygon, at least up to $1 you can use to, you need up to 0.3 dollars to pay for your fee when you're connecting to the miner. So that's why you see this here. But actually I started with $10 of USDC. I now have 12.76. Yes, somebody might say this is too small, but it means I've gained $2.7 or thereabout. It's not that bad. So this is how my earnings and my withdrawals so far. Now, as I'm here, I'm going to click on this explore down here where you have explore. I want to enter the miner now. So even when you are joining, that's what you are going to do. If for instance you want to join now, you have a SafePal wallet. I give you the miner's link. You come here, I click explore. You click on this up here where they say search DApp or enter a link up there. Now, that link I give to you, I'm going to drop it here. But you see, I already have the link here because it's under search history. So I'm not going to drop anything there. I'm going to use this, the link I'm looking for. But if you are new, you're not going to be seeing it here. You are going to have it. If you already registered, you always want to access the miner. This is exactly what you're going to do. So when you click on this link that is here now, you enter. So, but because you are new, you don't just want to connect the miner for the first place, this is where you're going to do it. So I have a comprehensive video on that. So I'm going to click on this. I want to enter and look at it. It's under Polygon. So if you're also joining new and you put that link up there, you must stress to come to Polygon network and check it, please. Because when you do it first, you might see that it is under BNB chain or any other chain or any other network. Make sure it's under Polygon network before you go up here and click go. Yes, when you click go, you're going to see the security one and continue, confirm. Yes, SafePal is only telling you that this is a third-party app, that they are not the one. Yes, this is a third-party miner. It's not owned by SafePal, but you're using SafePal wallet to connect it. So, and truly, like what I'm doing, like I said, I'm also using to teach those who are joining. So definitely, had it been you are just new for the first time, this place you now see, what you are seeing here now is this miner connected. But if you are new for the first time, it's not yet connected. What you're going to see is connect wallet. So in that case, you're going to click on connect wallet. When you click on connect wallet, you're going to see a lot of wallets, crypto wallets on your phone or thereabout. You will likely see SafePal multi-chain. You also see ordinary SafePal. Click on SafePal multi-chain. When you click on it, the system will still bring a Solana network or EVM, whatever. Use that one of EVM. Then when you do it, you connect. So at that moment, you're connected. So connection is actually different from the mining. Immediately you have already connected, the next thing you will now do if you want to start mining, you need to now put that amount you want to start with, which should be minimum of the $10 USDC. If you don't know how to get USDC, just contact me on WhatsApp. I will guide you. I will help you to get it. So you now invest that USDC and put it in your SafePal. And because your SafePal wallet is already connected here, all you need to do, come back again. If you can't trace here, follow that step I showed you. Once you come here, you now click on Start Earning. If you click on Start Earning, the system will now require you to do something. It will tell you that they're going to cut a fee. And that fee is coming from that Polygon. That's why I say you must have at least $1 about your Polygon. You cut it and then exactly. And whatever be the balance of amount here in your SafePal, which is this, is what the miner will start with immediately. So that's it. Oh, this is not so. Okay, at this point, so whatever you have here now, the balance you're going to have here is exactly the balance that is in your SafePal. So at least minimum of $10, like I said, it's 10 USDC. So once you click on Start Earning, and it costs the fee, automatically everything will process and you discover that you have started mining. If you want to prove to know whether you started mining true, you click on this place. You are going to see the system say running. It means that you have started mining it. So daily, after 24 hours, even less than 24 hours, come back and click on this area where you have your profile. You are now going to see that you have already, and that's where I also want to show you my withdrawals and my earnings so far. Once you come here, you're going to see all your earning. Like, I've not yet withdrawn this, and the system say withdrawable. And one thing about the system that what you withdraw is not, you don't need to, it's not the one that they tell you need to wait for to get how many, just one small thing you can be withdrawing. But it's so made in a way that you can withdraw only once in a day. Once in a day. So you can't withdraw more than once in a day. So when you want to withdraw, be sure you gather what you think is okay. So if I want to withdraw this now, all I need to do, I click here, max. All of this amount will enter here. I click on withdraw. Now let me show you about the withdraw. If I withdraw it, the money will only increase my wallet balance. Remember that thing I told you, this is what I have. I seen it, I told you I've made 12.766. Remember I put 10, so I've made 2.76 whatever profit so far in the last 2 days. Okay, today is my 3rd day of the system. Now, that's exactly what I'm saying. So that withdrawal, and if I withdraw this, it need to be added to this. So, and that will increase my mining power because it's a compounding something. Now, but if I now decide that I don't want to be part of mining, I want to withdraw it, it's just very simple. Either I can remove this, my profit, 2.7, convert it back to any other coin, or I can transfer it out of SafePal to any other of my wallets. So this is where those of you who may not know crypto very well, you come, I will guide you, please. Because somebody say, how do I say? These are very easy. Selling and buying crypto, USDC, all these stablecoin are too easy. It's no longer a question. You can buy, you can sell to me if you're in doubt. So it's no longer difficult to convert it. So this is exactly how it's going. But make sure you don't remove the main investment, because once you remove the main investment, you are saying you are stop mining, and it's not, you can stop mining. No, nobody's stopping you. So you may have made this money and just tell yourself, I don't think I trust the system. You withdraw your whole money. You can do that because this thing is in your SafePal. It's still with you. It's your own. You can control it. You can transfer out. You can transfer in. That's how the system is. Now I show you my earnings so far. So where do I see my withdrawals? Watch. You can see withdrawals here. I seen it. Look at output. The way the thing ends daily. Just watch. You see it. It ends every one hour. I seen it. This 2 o'clock early morning, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. So look at what is earning based on the balance I have. The amount you put determines what you earn. Instant, are you getting it? If you put $100, see what you'll be earning. So you can see it. You can see. It generates every 1 hour, every 1 hour, every 1 hour, adding up. Now, this withdrawal I've made so far, let me show you. You see it. I've made 4 successful withdrawals. You can see since I started, I made 4 successful withdrawals. Okay, that was, the first withdrawal was on 24th. I made another withdrawal that same day at 24th. I was surprised the system allowed me to do that 2 withdrawal because since that time I've tried to make 2 in a day. It didn't work. So, but this time 2 in that day I started, then 1 on 25th, 1 on 26th yesterday. I will see my withdrawal today, this evening. So that's it. Now reward. This reward has to do with people you bring on. I'll bring on 2 persons. Now let me tell you how it works. This is like, I'm not using this as a comprehensive video. How these things work. The people you bring in, when they deposit money, the system doesn't pay because they deposit money. You know why? Because they can decide to withdraw the money they deposited. So you can bring somebody, you put in $100. You expect the system to pay you. What if the person later stop the mining and withdraw the whole money? Because the money is still in the hand of that person. So the system does not pay you because somebody put in money that you withdraw. Until that person mind and make withdrawal. Once the person makes any withdrawal the person makes, the system pays you. So the system pays you 15% of your direct referral withdrawal. Yes, so if you have direct referral withdraws $100, the system pays you $15 instantly. So if you have a referral that is mining but refuse to withdraw, you can't earn from that person. I have 2 referrals there already that are mining, but only one person have made withdrawal yesterday, and that's what you see me having here. The other person have not made withdrawal. I don't know why he does that. Even I explained to him, but he has not made withdrawal, so I can't gain something from him. And if he continues, even for the next 10 years, they refuse to make withdrawal, inviting him would have become a waste of time for me because I won't earn anything from him. Do you understand? That's how the system works. His mining is going on. He doesn't need to press anything. He continuously go on and he's mining and mining. But you need to withdraw money for me to earn from that. Do you understand? So encourage your people to be withdrawing. And withdrawing is better for them. Because when they withdraw, this should be added to the mining power. Increases their amount because it's compounding. They earn more. And if they say they want to stay cottage, which is still their own, instead of leaving it there does not serve any purpose, anything at all. So I've used this even video to guide you a little on all of this. So even this video is enough to guide you on how the system works. But if you still need a guide, more information, please chat me up. You're going to see my WhatsApp contact on this video description part. Chat me up and I will tell you what to do. If you are new to our channel, please do well to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and if you want to join, please use my link to join. Let's grow together, can make some money from this. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.